I feel like I should have been here.
Okay, take 2.
Take 2, because I didn't really get to see it before.
Feel free to read anything aloud if you want.
Oh.
If you want, you don't have to.
Go down, yeah. Okay. Well. You know how to work this, Steven, okay? What's the reason? Turn it really low. It's coming. Shh, relax. Leanna, your suggestions for people are really good. Hey, Lena too. That's for mine. But you're gonna film the whole thing. Whoa! Who did that? How?
Did Jessica? Is that Jessica Grimes?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I remember her telling me.
How did she do that?
I think Photoshop.
Because of Jason.
Oh.
Like, graphically
Wait, who is this?
Liana, you're experiencing this whole thing with us. I hope this gets to you. And whoever else ends up watching this.
Alox. I didn't even read who it was from. Jessica. Oh my god.
And then where they are is
That's
on that side.
amazing. Oh my god.
I'm trying to.
Lan took the idea. Mine did exactly what she was supposed to do. Oh my god. She's a genius. Have you seen this? No. No. Aww.
When was this?
LB even made it in. Max.
They're all back.
When was this?
Good fella. Oh my god, this is amazing. She made a shirt. Marissa, you made a shirt.
That's so funny.
Oh my god, Julianne. Oh my god, that's amazing.
Whoa, it's hard to read. Just kidding.
Oh look.
Natalie.
Oh, Blue's Clues.
I can't wait to see this all.
It's unbelievable. This is unbelievable.
It's so pretty. Yes.
Oh.
Oh, look, Sam.
Blue's Clues.
Did I bring this to Mom in the kitchen?
It's beautiful, right?
No, it means unbelievable.
Rebecca.
I see her. There she is. Wait, is that written
I was telling the camera.
on the back? Aww! Adina did it! Aw. This is really cute. My god. Yeah, one from Uganda. it was Marcelo, but it's you, Liana. So you know this already, and you, Lena, which you also know. Oh god. Whoa. That's awesome.
Yeah, that's Ellen.
I see her.
Okay, good. just wanted to let.
That is so cool. Oh my god, Lena, that is really. Where are you?
Where is she?
She's
Arizona.
in Arizona. When did you go to Arizona? Oh, this is amazing. It's made from sticks. You're funny.
Read it out loud.
What's that? Should I read it like Jamie? What's that you say, little monkey? Aaliyah and Tyler are getting married? Yeah! That's Molly's voice. Guess what? They're also having a little baby. Oh, that's how Lena found out. I get it.
And I couldn't get rid of it because
Lena, I'm having a baby.
read the rest out loud.
I think they should call it Piranita. Oh, you little monkey, that's so silly. I am Piranita. Although he could be onto something. Maybe a middle name in honor of me. No? What's wrong with your child being like to a fish? I don't see anything wrong with that. Hey, did you ever hear that joke about the fish? Oh, what do you call a fish? This is funny because Jamie tried to tell that joke in Spanish.
This is why I had to keep all this, and I couldn't get rid of the jokes, so Liana told you would understand at some point.
Oh my god.
That was my stomach. Oh, I thought it was your phone.
I thought it was your phone too.
The phone buzzed too. The louder noise was my stomach.
Oh, she's a funny girl. You know.
This is a hug the camera.
Okay.
Let's hug also.
Yeah. Thank you. I love you a lot.